Hi babies! Today, I'm doing a little mukbang for you. So we're gonna be eating Club Originals crackers. These are my favorite crackers. I think they're better than Ritz. Cause you see, they're light, flaky, and buttery. Okay, and we're gonna be eating them with cheddar jack. What is this called? Shredded cheese. And I just like to sit here and talk about while I'm eating freaking MLMs. If you don't know what that stands for, it stands for multi-level marketing. Fuckers. Basically, I don't really get how MLMs are still a thing. Sorry, someone's texting me. How MLMs are still a thing. Like, I could get it maybe in the early 2000s or whatever, but now that we have the internet, why aren't people more educated? I don't know. Like, I feel like everyone knows someone that has been part of an MLM. Like, damn near a lot of people in my family have been part of MLMs. And a bunch of my family friends and shit. It just gets annoying too, cause the only time I've ever gone to them was like with my mom. And my mom's like, "You want to go to a party?" And I'm like, I guess so. And she's like, "Yeah, it's a knife party." I'm like, "Oh my fuck, let's not go. I don't want to buy anything." Like, and you gotta feel bad too. I know I would feel bad. Like, forcibly making my family and friends buy shit from me. And most of the time it's pure shit. It's not good quality products. I don't know. I'd personally feel so bad if I was like trying to make my friends and family buy stuff I know that they don't need. Oh yeah, I should probably show you guys. That's what a cracker with shredded cheese on it looks like. So yeah. MLMs are just so retarded. Especially because it's like, it's focused around ladies that want to start their own business. And honey, if you want to start your own business, you probably shouldn't fucking get involved in one of these fucking schemes. You're not starting your own business. You're becoming a pog. in a bigger company that steals money from you. Especially because most of these companies, you have to pay money, like an upfront fee, to start working for them. Can you imagine trying to start working somewhere and you have to pay the company? It's so bad because they're not even getting paid like weekly or bi-weekly. You get paid if you get people under you, if you recruit more people. I'm just speaking generally here, like, this is how most of the MLMs work, if you didn't know. So yeah. I just get so annoyed. Especially because the whole reason why I started talking about this is because I haven't talked to my mom in a little bit, and I see her posting stuff on Instagram about leggings, and I think she's part of an MLM again. She's already been part of one that I know of, where her past one that she was in was like it was like a face cream that is supposed to like get rid of wrinkles. Obviously it didn't work that well because she stopped using it. But yeah, now I see all over my mom's Instagram, buy these leggings. Maybe I should call her or something. I just don't see how women are still that stupid. Some women, I mean. Especially because I think Facebook is dying off. I might be wrong, but it's 2020. When did Facebook start? Like 2014. It should be dying off pretty soon, I would hope. And that's where like all these MLMs, that's where all these ladies get their clout, is from Facebook. Facebook Live. I don't know that much about Facebook, but I know that's where all the MLMs are at. And that's a big reason I'm not on Facebook. Sorry, I'm so hungry. Sorry, I'm so hungry. This is my first meal of the day. you know those memes of me sneaking down in the middle of the night to eat shredded cheese? Yeah, that's me. If you've never tried this, I recommend it. If you know you don't have like a block of cheese at home, because I didn't. Everyone has a bag of cheese though. And most people have crackers. So just try it out. Kind of messy though. So just watch out for cheese crumbs. I want a Diet Coke or something, but don't have any here because I drink them all. We got water though. Can it still be considered a mukbang if I don't eat all this? I think it can, yeah. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm done here. So, thanks for watching my shredded cheese and cracker mukbang. I hope you're having an awesome day.